Secure the perimeter, wind is picking up. Crane arm extending now, everyone stand clear.
This is the structural reinforcement plan for the wing. We need to secure this section before the next tide. Copy that. We'll mobilize the crane and get the supports in place.
Bring the concentrated materials and the machinery to upgrade the fuselage. Let's get this repair started.
On it, boss. Moving the equipment in.
Clear the area. The crane is lowering the next load. Copy that. Moving now.
Hey, careful with that sprayer. I just dried off. Sorry, thought you needed a rinse. Hey, watch where you're aiming that thing. Relax, I'm giving you a free shower.
This whole row is completely rotted. Focus on the starboard side first.
Cut that beam. Haul this metal out.
Move it faster. We're behind schedule. Keep grinding that section smooth. Pouring the silver mix now. Start swirling the gray.
Bring that platform up 20 feet. We need to hit the stabilizer.
Yep.
Copy that. Moving up now. Watch the overspray on your left.
Keep moving, don't stop the spray. Clear section 3. We're almost done here.